In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio to Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, create a dedicated folder, and upload your audio files quickly and reliably. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Google Drive Login and press Enter. Look for the official result labeled Google Drive Share Files Online with Secure Cloud Storage and click it. On the Drive landing page, choose Sign In and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on My Drive, which is your main workspace for organizing and storing files in the cloud. Before uploading, it's a good idea to keep things tidy. Let's create a folder just for your audio files. In the top left corner, click New, then select New Folder. Give the folder a clear, memorable name, something like Audio or the name of your project so you can find it easily later. Click Create, and Google Drive will open that new folder for you. Keeping audio in its own folder helps with organizing versions and sharing later, and it also makes bulk actions much simpler. With the folder open, click New again and choose File Upload. Your computer's file browser will appear. Navigate to the location where your audio is stored. If you keep your recordings in a specific audio folder on your computer, double-click to open it. Find the exact audio file you want to upload. Common formats like MP3, UAV, and M4A work well. Click it to select, and then click Open. You'll see an upload panel appear in the bottom right corner of Google Drive showing progress. Larger files may take a bit longer depending on your internet speed, so give it a moment. When the upload finishes, you'll see a confirmation icon or completed message. Your file will appear inside the folder you created, usually sorted by name or most recent activity. If you don't see it immediately, wait a few seconds as Drive refreshes the view. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you plan to upload multiple audio files, you can repeat the same file upload action as needed from within the folder. Consistent naming, like date plus track title, makes searching easier later. If an upload stalls, check your connection and try again. And remember, Drive automatically saves to the cloud, so once you see the file, it's safely stored and accessible from any device where you're signed in. That's it. You've opened Google Drive, signed in, created a dedicated folder, and uploaded your audio file with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.